How to fix Google Play Store not working on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get the Play Store up and running again in just a few steps. First, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Google Play Store and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap Force Stop again to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache, and then tap on Clear Data. Following this, go back to the app info page and search for Google Play Services this time. Tap on Google Play Services to open it. At this stage, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Once done, reopen the Play Store and check if the issue is resolved. From here, if it's still not working, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Finally, once your device restarts, open the Play Store again and it should be working properly. If the issue continues, make sure your internet connection is stable and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the Google Play Store on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.